Good afternoon, everyone. This is the second experiment, LED and DAP switch interfacing, and this is the code. The output for one switch, one LED is, if we on one switch means the LED will glow, and if we off that means the LED will be off. This is one switch, one LED, and next one is 4 LED and 4 switch. This is the code. We start the code and initialize the variables and define ports and configure the ports using while condition, and read the switch status when switch pressed LED on, and the output is this. If we on 4 switch means the 4 LEDs will glow, and if we off that switches, it will off the 4 LEDs. And next one is odd LED. For odd LED, this is the code, and for odd LED the output is this. For odd LED the output is this one. If we on switch, the LEDs will glow in odd, like 1, 3, and if we off that means it will off, and this is the even LED. Okay, thank you.